This compact glass desktop whiteboard gives you a roomy writing surface without taking over your desk, and the sleek black frame looks polished in a modern workspace. A ring of subtle blue lighting powered by a universal serial bus cable makes quick notes and reminders stand out, especially in dim or evening lighting. The tempered glass surface feels very smooth under dry erase markers, wipes clean with a single pass, and does not hang on to old ink stains the way traditional boards often do. A low-profile pull-out drawer along the side is handy for stashing markers, an eraser, and small office supplies so they are always within reach, but not cluttering your work area. The angled design puts the writing surface at a comfortable viewing and jotting height, and it can double as a stable stand to lift a keyboard to a more ergonomic position. Its small footprint and portable size make it useful almost anywhere, from a home office or dorm room to meeting spaces, classrooms, or game nights for keeping shared notes.